let's learn how to write classified advertisements. This question is asked in the section B, Advanced Writing Skills of class 11 and 12. So the question carries 4 marks. There are different types of advertisements and you will be asked to draft an advertisement within 50 words. So I'll be teaching you the different types of advertisements with an example each. So let's look at the first one now. So the first one is called situation vacant. This advertisement is usually given by a company or any other institution if they are looking for a post, if they are looking for a person to fill up any of the post in their company or organization. So you have to write the following things. These things are necessary when you write. So first thing is the format. The format is you have to draw a box and inside the box you have to write the heading. Always remember to write the heading in capital letters. So the first one is situation vacant. The heading is situation vacant. Then you should begin with either wanted or required. Then write the name of the organization. Then you should also specify the number of vacancies and the post for which the advertisement is stated. Then talk about the age and gender of the candidate, because some companies specify the age and gender. They say male or female. Then you have to give the qualifications which are required for the post. Then talk about the pay scale. Perks are the benefits that are given by the company. Then say how to apply. It should be either by email or post. Then give the contact address, mail ID and phone number. Now when you write all this, remember, don't write complete sentences. Write only the keywords so that all together they are just within 50 words. So I will show you an example like how to write one of these ads. So here is an example. Situation vacant. Wanted a smart, confident PA, stenographer for a leading export house. Qualification graduate, age 25 to 30 years. Typing speed is 40 words per minute. Shorthand speed 100 words per minute. Preference to those who can handle computer. Salary negotiable. What is negotiable? That means they can talk and come to a conclusion. Apply with complete biodata by 30th December to Secretary, Sriram Export House, T Nagar, Chennai, and the phone number is given. So you can see how the box is drawn, the heading is written inside, and all the keywords beginning with wanted and the contact details, the qualification, the skills, about the salary, everything is written, and how they have to apply, everything is mentioned inside the advertisement. So let's look at the next type. It is called the to-let ads. What is to-let? To-let is when you have a space that you want to give for rent. Sometimes people want to give their space for rent and sometimes people ask for rent. So both of these types can be written by using these hints. So first you have to begin with wanted. If you are looking for a space, begin with wanted. If you are giving for rent means you have to start with available. Then write about the type of accommodation, whether it is a bungalow or a flat or a gated colony, or whether it is a builder apartments. Then you also have to mention the area in square feet. Then talk about the rent. Some people may expect, but it is up to you whether you want to give the rent or not. Then give the proximity to the market, schools, metro, and also indicate whether it is sun facing or east facing, west facing, etc. Proximity means how much distance it is from school and market, how close it is to the railway station or the bus stop, etc. Then speak about the parking facility, water and electricity. Then give the contact address and phone number. So these are the details that are expected when you are going to write a to-let ad. So now let's look at one example. It is accommodation wanted. Wanted space. Metals and Minerals Corporation of India needs suitable accommodation on rent to be used as a guest house. Should be located in posh area with excellent facilities. Uninterrupted water and electricity. Near market is must. Owners please contact R. Mathur, Executive Manager, and phone number is given. So these are the details how you have to write for accommodation wanted or accommodation available. Now the next ad is the ad for sale. You can either sale or purchase of property or assets. So you have to begin with for sale, for purchase or wanted. Then give the brief physical description of the property. Mention reason for the sale, whether owner going abroad, etc. Then there are three types of sale or purchase. You can use it for property, vehicles or household goods. If it is a property, you have to number the floor, say which floor it is. Suppose it's a flat, then you have to mention which floor it is located. Then talk about the size in square feet, number of rooms, location, surroundings, etc. Then if it is a vehicle that you're going to sell or purchase, then talk about the color, the model, the accessories, the year, modification whether you have made any, then price, mileage. Mileage is how many kilometers it has traveled, and the condition, etc. Then if you are selling any household goods or if you want to buy also, give the description, give the model number, condition, price, etc. So these are the details that you have to give for a for sale or for purchase ads. So here are two examples. The first one is for sale. It is for sale DDF flat at Mukherjee Nagar. Owner transfer to other city. Ground floor. 2 bedrooms. Car parking available. Park facing. Best location. Reasonable price. Contact Mr. Singh. And the phone number is given. So this is a for sale for a flat. Now next one is for sale for a vehicle. Available Maruti 800 LX, that's the model number, year 1999, self-driven, sparingly used, scratchless, a stereo, air-conditioned, beautiful upholstery, no expenses. Contact Mr. Anil and the phone number is given. So you can look at how these keywords alone are used. Don't use complete sentences at all because you will be asked to write the ad within 50 words. So write only the keywords how it has been used here. So now let's look at the next type of ad. The next type of ad is educational institution. Usually educational institutions give different kinds of ads to talk about their courses, etc. So what are the things you have to write? You have to write the name of the institution, the past record if you know any about it, the courses offered and their duration, eligibility criteria and details of admission test, etc. Facilities that are available, fee structure, scholarship information, whether scholarship is available or not, last date for registration, and then finally contact address and phone number. So in every ad you can see that the contact address and phone number is given because that is the medium used for the person to contact the advertiser. So here is an example. You can see the box and the heading is always educational institution. IIFL announces the commencement of its courses in Japanese, French and German. Duration 3 months. Eligibility senior secondary. Excellent faculty. So you can see how the keywords are very beautifully used. Computerized training. Incentives for early birds. Send in your applications by 5th March 2020 or contact secretary at this number. So this is how you have to write an educational institution ad. So the next type of ad is missing person. So if somebody is lost, if any family member is lost, usually we give an advertisement in the newspaper. So let's see what are the details we have to give. The heading is always missing. Then you have to write these features. You have to write the brief physical description, height, complexion, build and mark. What is complexion? That is the color of the skin. Build is whether he is thin or fat, etc. Then you have to write the name, age and any health related issues about the missing person because these will help people to identify the person correctly. Then write about the clothes or any other accessories or any other identifying feature that is very obvious. Then last place where the person was seen. Then you can also give details of reward and always give the contact address and phone number. Usually for missing person, the contact number of the local police station is given so that they don't fall into any kind of trouble. So let's look at one of the examples. So here is an example. You can see the box. The heading inside is missing. So start with girl missing, Nehal Khanna, 12 years, 4 feet 3 inches tall, fair, slim built, wearing black t-shirt and blue jeans since 2/12/2009 from MG Road, Gurgaon. Speaks Hindi and English. Informers will be suitably rewarded. Inform MG Road Police Station and the phone number is given. Okay, so these are the details. So, okay, suitably, this is spelling mistake. It has to be suitably rewarded. BLY. Okay, so in this way you have to write an ad for a missing person. So the next kind of ad is about tours and travels. There are lots of companies that come about with many tour packages to attract people and they give ads about it. So this is how you have to write. You have to begin with the package available. What's a package? Sometimes the agencies say that 3 nights, 4 days, 1 week, etc. So those, and they give the cost for that. They give the total cost for that. So that's called a package. So begin with the package. Name the travel agency, then write about the destination and the duration, the dates, price, whether there are any special discounts, and whether the payment can be in installment or it should be cash or card or whatever. Then availability, whether it is family or group or package tours, whatever kinds of tour it is, you have to mention that also. Then again give the contact address and phone number. And so now let's look at one example of tours and travels. So you can see the box drawn and the heading is written inside. Start with attractive package available for Mauritius. 3 nights, 4 days, breakfast and dinner, stay at 3-star hotel, sightseeing included. Rupees 9999 per person. Special discount for early booking. Contact Star Travels and the number is given. Okay.